Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Google have recently launched a new feature in Google Calendars. The, it is basically booking an appointment. Like normally when we book any appointment, what we do, come to the calendar, add our event, add our task. Now with this, Google has recently launched this new feature. It's called Appointment Schedule. So we learn today this and real time in your application you can add. So for me this one is my application. Here we have added schedule meeting. So what we basically do is all the appointment what I have marked as open, see Saturday I'm open, Sunday I'm open, the timing what I have added displays here. So the third person who will come or second person who will come to my application or a link, they can easily book. So this is good if you want to expose your timing for professional purpose, or I mean for when we do for independent, if you want to create 5 meeting a day, it's an effort. So a user creator has exposed this timing. I'm free on this time. Anyone who's interested can come over here and add their timing. Okay. We'll also see there are few ways we can see. One is this schedule meeting. The other way, inline. So inline, whatever days I've added here, I'm open. I can just user can quickly come click it and book an appointment. We'll get calendar notification. And it's same like event task. We can accept, reject. So let us learn it. It's called appointment booking feature, and okay. So for this, if you are in your Gmail, click this icon, click on the Google Calendar. You are in your calendar link. Okay. Now I've already created one. You can see that this is the UI. We'll be creating another. How it looks. So this tabular form indicates an appointment. Okay. So let me open one. Let me create it. So you have seen here, correct, that it's open for Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Tuesday it is not there. These days it's a recurring event. You can set it for 2 months, 60 days. So let me now do one thing. Let me schedule for Thursday. This guy, this row. So before that, let me go through the documentation. We'll do parallelly. Why this is helpful? It's if you want to expose some of your time, like we have these days, like one-to-one connect or any meeting time you want. If you're in a professional, say IT, you want to expose your time to someone. Yeah, you can. Professional meeting. We can also connect Google Meet, phone. Google give their Meet video conversation, phone or in person. So we'll learn three steps. One is creating appointment. Second one will be sharing appointment. This will be the URL which we'll be sharing. And third one, the third person who will be booking it. So without further ado, let's learn it. I'll come over here. So what I'm planning, you can set it for any time. So what I'm planning, I want to set this from, I mean, let's say 10 to this much time, 10 to 7 p.m. So I've selected it. Over here, we have to choose appointment schedule. The first time when I was coming over here, it was open. As I've created one time, it is coming here. Let me show you through my different appointment. Here I have not chosen. If I choose this appointment schedule, first time I have to write an entry. Okay, and the next time when you will come, you have to just, that name will be hard coded. For example, that name will be chosen by default. For example, this case, we have already come here and added our slots for these many days. Let me show you. So what I'm trying to say, for the first time that name comes, we can reset it from the setting, of course. Now second time we are appending to this same thing, na? Like we have Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I want to add to the Thursday my time slots, so it will connect using that same ID. So what you have to do is appointment schedule. You have to click connect with Amir, and then, or you can see, you can create a new appointment as well. Okay, let me show you from this only. I think that will be helpful. So in this calendar, nothing is booked. So what I'll do, it's a separate calendar, it will not reflect there. So what I'll do is, for Thursday, this to this time I'm selecting appointment schedule. I'll choose here connect with Happy Learnings. Okay, I gave name based on this channel. It's ID and see 10 to 9 p.m. Now what you have to do is, over here, I'll show you how it works also. Click on setup schedule. Now this name will be registered, locked the next time, one which we were saying the other time. Now you want duration? No, I think 30 minutes is good. First time, how long you want this meeting to be? 15 minutes is good. The standard should be 30 minutes. Now we have chosen for 30 minutes. Now what I'm planning, see, the reflector will also come here. Okay, now say I need some gaps. So what you'll do for this scheduling window, you can choose, this is the recurring, you want for 60 days, you want for say 90 days, you can choose as per your requirement. Over here, let me show you the thing which I wanted. Change dates, availability, buffer time. Yeah, this one. So after every meeting you need some time, right? 30 minutes, or you can increase as per 60 minutes, 1 hour time, 30 minutes time. So after every booking now you are having 60 minutes time. So if you remove it, gone, back to back meeting. Yeah, now what we have to do, click on next, booking form. Okay, so this area is important. By default, first name, last name and email address is mandatory field. You can add more item, like at the time of booking they ask for some detail, you can mark it optional or not optional. For example, you add phone number. You can add another, like, reason for meeting, and you can mark this required. You need to know why anyone is connecting with you, right? This is mandatory. Save. Now appointment is ready, I mean your slot is ready. Let us click open appointment. So this is your appointment page. So the first step of this is done. Let me get back to the blog. Okay, first step was creating appointment type meeting. It's done. The second step is sharing the meeting. Once you have created a meeting, now you have to share with someone, right? Either you share in link, or I have shown here, you can show in the a button. with pop-up or inline or direct link. So Google gives us this feature over here. So when we come over here, just click this meeting, click this share. Okay, you have this calendar meeting, Control C, Control V. So now this is a separate calendar. This is in the name of this. So you have all your time scheduled. Now, what interesting thing I wanted to show, we have this web embedded features. Two feature is there, button with pop-up, inline. So we have seen both, right? Let me show you again. See over here, the pop-up one is, this is button with pop-up, and inline one is this one. It's not yet up in the server. Let me go to the local one, this one. So yeah, it will directly come. Otherwise, you click a button, then it comes. So just click this. You have your code. You can use it wherever you want. For example, JS. You go to JS Fiddle. Click here. Paste here. Click on copy code. Let me remove paste in JS. Run. So you are having now these guys. This button is available for you now. Okay, and this will come. What we were seeing in my web page. You can customize this as per your requirement. For example, 000. You can mark it connect or business or professional meeting. You can name it however you want. And I did a mistake, parsing error, and it is up, right? You can see that we can customize this button as per a requirement. This is a first piece, button with pop-up. Second piece is the inline one. We can close from here, click on the inline one, click on copy code, come over here. This time if you'll run inline, you can see directly the calendar over here. So whatever time you have chosen will appear here. So with this user, I'm having Thursday. And the most simplest one is this link only. If you go to the calendar, click on link, copy link, come over here. It's directly over here. Now suppose I have copied this user link, and I'll show you the third piece in a minute. But what I want to show now is you have to append another. Suppose you need you want to now modify this your open slot. Now you want Friday also to be open. You come over here, do your this thing, click over here, open booking page. No, not this. Edit. Okay. Now what you'll do, you can add more details over here. Okay. You can customize your timing 10 to 9. Next, save. Done. This time if you come over here, you'll see you have 2 days available, right? So both the days will be available for you. It's recurring, and this will be for 90 days, whatever you have said. All right. So now last piece, what I'll do, I'll show you. I'll be taking this as my main ID. I mean the creator ID, the one I've already created. Okay. The one which we have just now created. Now what I'm trying to do, I wanted to show you from my one. Okay. We can ignore this one for now, but you know how to create it. But what I'm trying to show is, let me go to the from the website or link. I want to show you from here only. Okay. So if we come over here, we have schedule meeting. Let's click this. So this is based on my calendar, and in my calendar it's on Saturday. It will be up Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Okay. So suppose I want to book on this 12th of this 3:30 p.m. So now we'll second piece is done. Sharing appointment. We have seen how we can 3 ways we can add: open direct link, button with pop-up, this guy, inline one. Now the third piece is everything is done. How to book, and you'll be how shocked to say that how Google has easily modified it. You no need to do anything in hassle way. So you have this link, right? This is my website. Now suppose any other user, I'll go to this user. Suppose I don't have, I'll close everything from here and have to open here this one. Okay, let me go to the live one also, that was fine. So we have this meeting over here. Okay, so this is logged in by a second user, anyone other than the creator. All right, schedule a meeting. Let me do for 29th 7:30 p.m. So I click this. 3 are non-editable field. The custom field what I have given that time was reason for meeting. Add testing book. As simple as that. I got one notification. See, in my the user who booked it got one notification, and of course I also get a notification. Now you can do the like regular stuff, add, reject. It's so simple. So think not from one user perspective. You have given them a gateway. You can customize it also, revoke it also, but at the end of the day, these time are open. You can accept, reject, but you don't have to create a single meeting every time. Yeah. All right, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.